topic is distribution and general characters and origin of pteridophytes. Firstly, distributions of pteridophyte. In pteridophyte, there are 12,000 species occur in the world flora, of which 1,000 species into 70 families and 192 genera occur in the Indian boundary. The Eastern Himalayas termed as one of the hotspots diversity center of pteridophyte, and 58% of pteridophyte occur in the Eastern Himalaya and adjoining states. 400 species in southern India and 300 species in northwest India and 100 species in central India and 125 species in Andaman and Nicobar Island. 150 species and 25 genera in the family Polypodiaceae. In the family Dryopteridaceae, 109 species and 130 genera are present. In Atheriaceae, 101 species and 13 genera are present. In Asplinaceae, 70 species and 4 genera are present. In Asplitaceae, 50 species and 11 genera are present. In Hymenophilaceae, 35 species and 10 genera are present. In Adiantaceae, 30 species and genus Adiantum. On the basis of genus, the maximum number of diversity of 70 species occur in Asplenium and Selaginella 62 species, Pteris 60 species, Dryopteris 57 species, Polytrichum 41 species, Atherium 35 species and Adiantum 30 species. And next, general characters of pteridophytes. Pteron means feather, phyton means plant with feather-like leaves. Pteridophytes are vascular cryptograms due to the presence of xylem and folium, which give rise to the cellular system. They are cryptograms, non-flowering plants. They bear sporangia on the upper side of sporophyll, and vegetative leaf called sporophyll when it bears spores. Plant body is sporophytic, 2n dominant phase differentiated into root, stem, leaves. The mature sporophyte is nutritionally independent of gametophyte. And some pteridophytes are annual, for example Azolla and Salvinia. Some are perennial, for example Angiopteris and Asmunda. Most are aquatic, for example Azolla, Marsilia and Salvinia. Some are sclerophytic or Selaginella, Lepidospila, Equisetum arvans. Some ferns have woody stem like Angiopteris, but most of them have a herbaceous stem. And next, leaves. The leaves are scaly in Equisetum, small and sessile in Lycopodium Selaginella. Young leaves show cystinate venation. On the basis of leaves, pteridophytes classified into megaphylous and microphylous. Megaphylous means large pinatified leaves have complex series of veins. Microphylous means with simple leaves having the single vein. And next, stem. Stem usually branched monopodial or dichotomous. Branches do not arise from the axils of leaves. Leaves and stem possesses trichomes. Root and stem have well-developed vascular system. Vascular system composed of xylem and folium. Cambium is absent, hence secondary thickening is absent. Some pteridophytes show secondary growth. Xylem made up of tracheates, folium made up of sive cells and folium parenchyma. Note this is differentiation since microphylous leaves. In megaphylous leaves, they have the palisade and the spongy differentiation. Reproduction in pteridophytes. Pteridophyte reproduced by mainly of spores. Spores are produced in sporangia. Sporangia are borne on the ventral side of leaf. Sporophyll, leaf, on which sporangia are produced. Homosporous means single type of spore and sporangia. Spore small. Heterosporous, two type of spore and sporangia, one large and other small. Large sporangia means megasporangia produces female megaspore. Small sporangia means microsporangia produces male microspore. Two type of sporangia based on the development. They are eusporangiate and leptosporangiate. Eusporangiate means developed from a group of initial cells. Leptosporangiate means developed from single initial cells. Sporophyll may be either aggregated into compact cone and uniformly distributed. And next, origin of pteridophytes. The pteridophytes are evolved in the Silurian period and subsequently got diversified in Lower Devonian period. Algal origin. The concept of algal origin is based on the similarity between algae, especially members of Chlorophyceae and pteridophytes. Lignier hypothesis. He supported that algal origin. He postulated that the pteridophytes arose from the Chlorophyta with dichotomic same. Such hypothesis means Such is believer of polyphyletic origins of pteridophyte and proposed the theory as Thalopsiepsula and subaerial transmigration. Fritsch hypothesis. He suggested that green algae ancestor give rise to both the bryophytes and pteridophytes. Thank you.